So I downloaded every single XREAL AR application in the Google Play Store. And as you see on your screen right now, every single one you could buy right now or download or whatever is on my device. And I tried them all out with the XREAL Air 2 Ultras, which of course does have hand tracking. Now, plot twist, only 2 of them actually use hand tracking. The rest of them are really just for the regular Airs, which, again, doesn't have hand tracking. So, the only 2 that actually work for hand tracking is going to be the Beat Saber clone, which you see your hands in the hand tracking, but that's pretty much it. It doesn't actually interact with anything. If you try to do the Beat Saber situation with your hands, you're not going to have anything happen. It shows your hands, but it doesn't really interact with it. The other one is called, I believe it's called Table Dice or Tabletop. That one actually does work with hand tracking. You can actually pick up a dice and throw a dice on a table. It's a gigantic dice, by the way. But it does work very well, and it works almost perfect. And you can also guess, like, over, under, and you can, like, gamble, theoretically speaking, in the game. So that does work. Every other application, again, it doesn't work for hand tracking. Does it work for other things, like, you know, if you're using your phone and you're in the AR glasses? Well, yes, but every application does. Most applications that are considered XREAL applications, they do a good job of being very optimized for the hardware. And I give a lot of credit to the developers who are creating those applications, because again, it's one of those situations where most people are going to have the Air 2s or the regular ones. They're not going to have the Ultras, because the Ultras are kind of more of a dev tool type of device. But I wanted to try them out and see if anything possible is good from them. And the answer is no, they're really not. I will tell you right now, if you are wondering why I didn't record any footage of those applications, it's because you can't. Like, I physically can't. I can't screen record or screen capture on the device or on the headset. And then I tried connecting it to OBS, because that's actually how I was able to record on my XREAL glasses before. By the way, what you're seeing on the screen right now is actually what I'm seeing on my screen as well. Like when I look in the glasses. But I tried to before. You could actually connect it through a cable to your PC and then go to OBS and go to video capture, and you can actually select the glasses as a video capture device, which is awesome, right? That's a really cool feature. Does not work with the Ultras. Maybe it's the applications that make it not work, but it does not work. It works with the Airs. It works with the Airs 2. I've tried it again with the Air 2. It worked perfectly fine. Does not work with the Ultras. I don't know if it's the XREAL Beam Pro that's causing the problem, or if it is the glasses. I'm not sure. But yeah, I've been trying to go back and forth. Could not get it to work. Again, listen. There's not many people who have the Ultras, I feel like, out there. There's not many YouTube videos on them. I love them. I really do. But hand tracking is simply not there. And there's not really many developers who are creating applications for hand tracking for logical reasons. You know, there's not many people who have Ultras. So I wanted to try it out, see how it worked, because I didn't realize that there are applications that are dedicated to hand tracking. But yeah, no, it's just not going to work. But I'll leave a link down below in the description to all the applications I tried. Maybe you had better luck than me, but yeah, it was absolutely a mess. Peace out.